Good morning. Please state your name and occupation for the record.
My name is Dr. Martinez and I'm a forensic scientist.
Dr. Martinez, where are you currently employed?
I am employed at Maricopa County Sheriff's Office as a senior DNA analysis.
And how long have you worked as a forensic scientist?
I've been working in this field for over 10 years.
Could you please elaborate your educational background for the court?
I have my bachelor's in biology from the University of Arizona, and I obtained my PhD in genetics from there as well.
Do you have any specialized training in DNA analysis?
Yes, during my doctoral studies, I specialized in genetics, specifically focusing on DNA profiling techniques. Additionally, I have completed numerous advanced training courses in forensic DNA analysis, which include courses offered by the FBI.
How long have you been conducting DNA analysis in your professional career?
I've been performing DNA analysis for about 10 years now.
Have you had any previous occasions where you were asked to testify in court as an expert witness in DNA analysis before?
Yes, I have tested as an expert in DNA analysis in court approximately 20 times throughout my career.
Your Honor, at this time, I would like to qualify Dr. Martinez as an expert in the field of forensic DNA analysis.
The court will recognize Dr. Martinez as an expert in DNA analysis. Please proceed.
Dr. Martinez, were you involved in the analysis of evidence in this case?
Yes, I was.
What specific evidence were you asked to analyze?
I was asked to analyze a blood sample found on a knife recovered from the crime scene.
And could you please explain the process you used to analyze this blood sample?
Certainly. First, I extracted DNA from the blood sample using standard forensic DNA extraction methods. Then I amplified specific regions of the DNA using a technique called polymerase chain reaction, or PCR. After amplification, I compared the DNA profile obtained from the blood sample to known DNA profiles.
And did you compare the DNA profile from the blood sample to any known individuals?
Yes, I compared it to the DNA profiles of both the victim and the defendant, which were provided by law enforcement.
And what were the results of your comparison?
The DNA profile from the blood sample matched the defendant's DNA profile with a high degree of certainty.
Could you please explain what a high degree of certainty means in this context?
Based on a statistical analysis, the likelihood that the DNA found on the knife belongs to someone other than the defendant is approximately 1 in 5.7 billion.
So, in your expert opinion, is the DNA found on the knife consistent with the defendant's DNA?
Yes, it is.
Your Honor, I move to admit the DNA analysis results as evidence and submit Dr. Martinez's report as State's Exhibit 7.
The evidence will be admitted.